Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Vanuatu? Let's explore. Construction is a key industry in Vanuatu, especially with housing and tourism development. The average annual gross salary is around $6,000, which is about $500 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is about $5,200, or roughly $430 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In larger areas like Port Vila, salaries are usually higher. In smaller islands and rural regions, wages are often lower. Experience affects income. New workers might earn around $4,000 per year, while experienced ones can make up to $8,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.